How to add a name on Subway Surfers. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process of how to add a name on Subway Surfers. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add a name on Subway Surfers, go ahead and open the Subway Surfers application on your device. If you tap on the Settings button, you will not see the option for changing your name anywhere. You will either get the name of the character that is playing or some random names. However, the option for changing your name manually is not available. The only way to get your name changed is to connect Subway Surfers to either your Game Center and change the Subway Surfers name to your Game Center name, or connect Subway Surfers to Facebook and use your Facebook name in the game. This is how you can add a name on Subway Surfers. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.